Hey guys, welcome back. Another watch video. This time I want to show you how to remove or replace your watch band, or how to shorten your stainless or steel, whatever they are, bands. If they're too big, how to remove the links. So to remove the links, you're going to need to get a link remover tool. It's basically a little tool that rotates. You put your band in here. This little pin will push the pins that hold the links together. If you don't have this, you can also get something similar style. It's gonna be just like a screwdriver type bit with a same bit at the end. It's gonna come with a little plastic base, or put it against something else, and you just hammer it, push the link out. These tools are cheap, $3-4 on eBay. There's usually a common one that's blue, a plastic. This is a metal one. This is adjustable for the width of the band, so that's pretty cool. So all you're gonna do is gonna get your watch, and you can see these little holes that's what's holding your links. There's pins in here. So when you're gonna see, it's hard to show, but if the link has a split in it, that's the wide end. That's the end that needs to come out. So we're gonna go to the other side, which is like a deeper hole. We're gonna line one of them up with our link remover, and if you guys can see, I'm just gonna start screwing it in there till it pushes the pin out. Once it does that, I remove it back out. Now the pin comes out, and that's it. This is what was holding your links together. So now we're gonna do the same process for the next link. Take that link out, and then reconnect the other one the same way, right? Slide that back in with that split end I was telling you guys. See, this end is closed off, and then this is the split end that's going to be on the outside. So we just push that back in there. Once it's in there, you can get your like a little hammer or whatever you have handy, and just hammer it back in there. Make sure you don't damage your band. You can use the link remover tool to push it in a little deeper so it's secure in there, and that's it. So you can add links, remove links this way. That's that. Some watches might be a little fancier and they have screws, so that's even easier. All you need is a mini flathead, and all you do is remove this screw. Careful not to scratch up if you have a nice shiny band. Just pull the screw out, and then add or remove a link. And same idea, put it back. Screw it in, and you are done, right? Alright, so that's changing lengths on bands. If you want to remove the leather band of your watch, or if you want to remove this piece right here, replace it, you have to replace the pin, whatever. All you need is either a mini flathead screwdriver, or they make this little tool that has like a little fork. The fork just makes it easier to grab the pin, and so it doesn't slide out. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically, the leather fit is going to be tight here. So we got to get in there and just pry that down, push it down, and slide the band out. And this is the link. That's what's holding your band to your watch, right? It has little grooves at the end. That's what I just grabbed to pull this out. So all you do is get your fresh band. Sometimes you got to replace these links. You can get a whole case of them for a few dollars with all different sizes for all different watches, which will last you a lifetime. So all we're gonna do is, there's 2 holes in here, one on each side. Line the first one up. Once that's in, get your flathead or this specialty tool, push that in, and now just wiggle it till you hear it click, because it expands. There we go, got the click, and that's it. You replaced your band. Probably saved yourself $10 from going to a kiosk or a watch store, at least. G-Shocks, same thing. The pin is in there, so it's a little deeper. So you just gotta get in there, push that to the side. Pull it out. You got your pin. This one's a different size than the other watch. Heavier duty too. G-Shocks are tough watches, so you're gonna see the pin is a little bigger. I'm gonna use a flathead now. line this back up. All right, once you get the first end in, I'm gonna slide this in all the way. I'm gonna now collapse the pin as deep as I can. And then just push it in there till it clicks in. Same idea. And that's it. That's how you replace the bands, pins, links. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I have one more video that I just did on how to replace batteries in all these watches. So check that out. Very helpful. Save you some money. Please give me a thumbs up, follow, and I got more. Thank you.